Okay, the second law of motion is a simple mathematical formula. The force of an object, that means how hard it will hit, is based on its mass times its acceleration. In simpler terms, the force of the object of how it hits is based on how heavy it is and how fast it's going. Okay, and you can change these two variables, and that's the two things you have to explain when you want to explain this correctly. You have to talk about how the mass, how heavy it is when it changes, can change the force, and then you have to explain how when you change the speed, how fast it's going, will it change the force. So for example, number one here, I have it drawn out. Heavy objects have more force when they are when they're moving. So this, I have a big plane hitting this little guy right here, and he's scared and spooked. And then I have a light airplane right here, and I'm just going to put in here, this guy is happy because a little airplane is not going to hurt as much. For example, I have a little airplane right here, and I have my test dummy over here lined up, and I'm going to throw it the same speed. Did that hurt? It did not. Now I will have a more massive airplane. Okay. As you can clearly see, the more massive airplane hits with more force. Moving on to speed. Fast objects have more force. A slow airplane will have a low force. A fast airplane will have more force. So this time I'm going to keep the plane is going to stay the same size, but I'm going to change the speed. I'm going to go really slow on the first one and then really fast on the second one. Test dummy, are you ready? Now same speed, or no, different speed. I'm going to do slow this time. Nothing, because it was so slow. Now we're going to crank up the speed a little bit. Then you clearly see that hit with a lot of force, ladies and gentlemen. And that's law 2. Thank you.